Hey guys, I just realized that the last video which I showed you how to trade penny stocks, I was actually recording a few things. I was recording Interactive Brokers as well as Webull, but I just didn't flick off. It just kept on staying at that trading view scene. So just quickly, I want to show you how to do this, how to do a purchase order on Interactive Brokers. So you basically go to buy, and especially if it's pre-market. But with some of these penny stocks, you kind of have to do it post-market or pre-market because otherwise you might miss the rise. So let's say, let's just say 10 positions now, okay? You always do on limit price, especially if it's pre-market, because if you do market price, especially with penny stocks, sometimes the broker fills you with the price that suits them more than that suits you, which is why Robinhood is not the best to use. Robinhood only allow market orders, and they just fill you on quite good prices for them, and it's a bit slow execution as well. So that's why I use Interactive Brokers. It's really good. And the commissions are good too. It's only like $1 a trade in comparison to TD Ameritrade, which is a bit more expensive. So you set your limit price. Right now the price is about 410. So limit price, basically you can set it at say 411. It basically means I want to buy this at a price that's 411 at the most, but or less. The best price under 411, but no more than 411. If you don't set that, then what happens is that sometimes they might, especially market orders, they might fill you at $5 even. It might not be that extreme, but that can happen. So and then you go click here, you click GTC. Always use GTC because day trades, they close you off end of the day. You don't want to do that. You sometimes, if you don't want to close by that day, you might close the next day. You don't want to do a day trade. You do GTC and click on fill outside RTH, which means outside regular trading hours, and then that's it. And then you would submit it, and then you'll buy it. But I won't submit it again because I already bought that. So that's how you buy during pre-market or post-market. With Interactive Brokers, you can buy a stock or sell a stock as long as it's not an OTC stock. If it's a listed stock, most of the listed stocks you can buy and sell them from 9 a.m. British time all the way to 1 a.m. British time on that same day. So sometimes maybe think about buying pre-market and post-market because you can ride a wave a bit better. Okay, thank you. And I'll just do another video on the Webull one, which we didn't catch the last video as well.